Peel the banana skin. Fry half-ripe bananas. Turn over so that it cooks evenly. Remove when it is half-cooked. Bananas. Chocolate. Spring roll skin. Put the chocolate and banana into the spring roll skin. Then close the spring roll skin by rolling it. If you have rolled the spring rolls, put them in a container. At this stage, you can fry it straight away or put it in the freezer. This is the frying process. Just fry until brown over low heat. Good luck and enjoy!